EVOLVEO R04 case, is it good? Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a small review for EVOLVEO R04 PC case. This case is actually really nice and good quality. Also got a dust mesh cover under the PSU, which is help keep your case nice and clean. This case actually doesn't have any sharp side. That means you will be not cut your finger. It's really for a cheap case. It's really nice build quality. There is a standard 4 screw on the both sides, 2 on each, which you can take it off one side. You can still keep and hide all of your cable management under one side. Other side is got a 12-inch blue fan hole, which is already included on the case, and one is on the front, also 12-inch and also blue color. There is so many space for your hardware and any components you need to put off. Only problem with this case I've got is PSU position, because you need a really extension cable to plug in the PSU power cable to the main board. On the front we got a free USB connection, one of them is USB free version, and actually that's it. Yeah, so nice, cool looking case. I like it. Apart of that extension power cable you need for your PSU. Click like, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching.